For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it fame? For what flowed Ireland's blood in rivers that began when Brian chased the Dane and did not cease nor has not ceased? The brave sons of 16. For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed that drove Old Tone to a pauper's death in a cell of cold wet stone? Will German, French or Brussels inscribe the epitaph of Emmet? When we have sold enough of Ireland to be but strangers in it? For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? To those brave men who fought and died and Roisin's live with pride, her sons at home to work and sing, her youth to dance, her valleys to ring, or the faceless men for mark and dollar betray her to the highest bidder. For whom do we owe our allegiance today? For what suffer our patriots today? They have a language problem, so they say. To write free speech must grieve their heart full sore. We got rid of one strange language, now we are faced with many, many more. For what do our patriots suffer today?